welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Kendrick Zone. Welcome back to Kendrick Zone, okay? Do you guys have enough money in the bank? Do you save enough money in the bank? Are you always without money? Have you always wanted to, you have always have to work hard because you don't have enough money, you wanted to relax but you're without money? Well, today I'm going to share with you my secret tips on how to save money, okay? Well, and this is 230 bucks. I know it's not much, but I will be giving out to you guys, any of you guys who give me the right comment on or any ideas on what should I do next on my YouTube channel. This will be going out to you guys, okay? Please hit share, like and subscribe. Now let's get down to business. I wanna tell you guys a story of my life. What happened was, when I was a young kid, I wanted to make money, and I was around class 6, class 7 like that, and I wanted to make some extra buck because I was always money motivated. And what I did, I went to search for a job. And I found a job. It was a building construction. I had to be a laborer, and that job was painful, man. It was really painful. I would sometimes hit my hand with the hammer, sometimes with the rod beating in my own legs, hurting myself, blood will come out, and I would complain that I was not getting paid enough. I was, making excuses, complaining about this, complaining about that, and at the end of the weekend when I got paid, I would blow all the money, man. I would blow it all. I would go buy clothes, go buy shoes, buy drinks, have fun, party with my friends. I was a kid. I didn't know much, man. I didn't know much about money. That's why. And come back to the next week, I had to go back, hard work again, feeling frustrated without money. Didn't have any money to save. Well, it was frustrating. And one more thing, man. If you complain too much about the situation that you are in, things are just going to get worse, man. Things are just going to get worse. That's what I did, man. And my life sucked. My life sucked at that time. And you guys want to know why I'm wearing this blazer? Well, because right now I've learned the value of money. I've learned it. I've understand it, and I respect it so much. That's why. And today I'll be sharing you my secret tips on how to save money. I don't want to share it with you guys. This is real value, man. Real value. Understand it, okay? First of all, if you want to save money, is you got to have a job, man. Because without a job, you cannot save money, okay? And the second tip is I want to share with you guys. But before that, let's just take a break because I wanted to drink some water. So just hold on, okay? Hold on. Just listen to the song. Hi guys, welcome back to the Kendrick Zone. Secondly, I want to talk to you guys about is, you know what? Secondly, I wanted to tell you is that, suppose if you're getting that income, okay? You're getting that income, and you're getting an income of 10,000. Well, try to save 8,000 in a secret bank account. That's what I did. I save it in a secret bank account, and that money was not meant to touch for anything. If anything that is happening to you also, don't touch it, okay? And you're left without 2,000. And I know you guys are gonna ask me, well, you have bills to pay. You have to pay the landlord. You have to pay the grocery guy. You have to pay, all the bills. Well, who do you love first? Do you love yourself first, or do you love the landlord, or do you love the grocery, or you love that cashier person who is taking your bill in the bill light company? Well, I know you love yourself first. That's why I'm telling you this. Pay yourself first, and push yourself to earn extra income, man. I was in sales. That's why I wanted to earn extra income. And what should I do? I sell more, man. Push yourself more. Try to earn extra buck from here and there, 200 bucks, 100. You can either go work for that Swiggy, you can either go wash clothes, you can either go, what is that new app that is in our town right now? You can just call that Scooty and he'll come pick you up. Well, there are so plenty of jobs that you are able to get if you want to earn, if you are really committed to making money, okay? And suppose, and come on guys, there is no job beneath you, man. There is no job beneath you. Look guys, look, I know some of you boys and girls, when you get paid at the end of the month, you just want to spend it, man. Spend it on entertainment, spend it on booze, spend it on dumb shit, you know. And at the end of the day, you would end up go asking extra money from your friends or from your family. And I'm just telling you guys, use my strategy. Instead of spending it all, just save it, man. Save it in the bank and don't touch it. And use that same kind of energy to go search for extra income, man. Boys and girls, go search for extra income. It might be 10 rupees, 20, 50, 100 rupees, 200 rupees also, no problem. Respect it. It will pushes you. Use that same kind of energy that you're using it because you're without money, because you have spent it all. Use it in a different way, like you have save it in your bank, you have swear to yourself that you won't touch it anymore, and use that same energy to go search for extra income. Simple, easy, man. That's what I did. And you know, you guys should have a reason to save money for, man, because without a proper reason, because without a purpose, you're just gonna think to yourself, whoa, I have money in my bank, I don't know what to do with it. So, oh, I'm seeing this online thing, man. I'm seeing, oh, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. Oh, yes, I have money, Oh, okay, I'll just go spend it. No problem, no problem. Don't be like that, man. Have a proper good reason to save money. Have a real good reason to save. You should have a good reason why you're saving money. And don't just save money to save, man. Save it because of a very good reason. I save money because I wanted to create my own business. I'm creating my own. I wanted to invest in myself. That's why I'm saving money. Well, you should be like that. Have a very good reason to save money. And don't just be that guy who is pretending to be rich. Oh, I'm buying the car, I'm buying this, I'm buying that, I'm the rich guy, spending all his money. Wow. Stay broke, man. Me and you, we're gonna stay broke for now. Until then, me and you, if we're successful enough, I hope so, well, we will go to a vacation together, we will create businesses together. But for now, let's stay broke, brother. Let's stay broke. Brother and sister, me and you, we're gonna stay broke, okay? And 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 the third point I want to share with you guys is that don't just be that guy who has saved so much money in the bank until his day that he died and he didn't spend it. He didn't use his money, man. He just ended up dying and he got and his bank account was so much. There was so much money in the bank, and all the children got it, and they would just go blow it off. Don't be that person, also, okay? And the number fourth point I want to share with you guys is you got to save to invest, man. Don't save to save to invest. And I know you're asking me, where do I invest? I don't know what ideas. Even me, I don't know what I would do, man. I'm out of ideas. Well, the best thing to do is to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. You are a sure thing, man. If you invest in yourself, no one can take it from you, man. No one can take it from you because you are investing in yourself. That's what I did, man. I spent almost 1 lakh. I invest in my self-development, man. In my mindset, the change of mindset, to do the things that I want, to be more fearless, to have more confidence. Invest in yourself. That is the best thing. So that's the story, and the I'm going to end this with this. You gotta save money, man. It's important. It's important. But don't just save it to save. Save it to invest. Save it so that you can build your own life, to create your own lifestyle. Save it for that and have a very good reason. Don't just be that pretender, man. Okay? Well, I got this money in here. I know it's not much. It's only 230 rupees. Well, any of you guys who comment, who give me a very good idea on what should I do next on my YouTube channel, I will choose. This money will go to you guys, okay? So please like, share and subscribe if you like, and if not, this channel is not for you. No problem, I understand. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye bye.